Welcome to the 8th episode of our blockchain series on EduTube. Today, we're going to explore the concept of nodes, one of the most important building blocks of blockchain technology. If you're new to blockchain or find technical terms confusing, don't worry. This video is designed for beginners and will explain everything with simple words and relatable examples. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand what nodes are, why they are essential, and how they contribute to the magic of blockchain. What are nodes? In the world of blockchain, a node is simply a device, usually a computer or server, that is part of the blockchain network. Think of a node as a participant in a system where everyone shares the same rules and works together to achieve a common goal. Nodes are responsible for storing, sharing, and validating information on the blockchain. Let's make this concept more relatable. Imagine you're part of a group project at school. Everyone in the group has their own copy of the project plan, and whenever someone adds new information, it's shared with the rest of the group. Each group member checks the update to ensure it follows the agreed rules. In this analogy, 1. The project plan is like the blockchain. 2. Each group member is a node. 3. Sharing and verifying updates represents how nodes communicate and validate transactions. The role of nodes in blockchain nodes performs several key tasks that keep the blockchain running smoothly. The blockchain is like a digital diary that records every transaction or event. Each node keeps a copy of this diary. If one copy is lost or tampered with, other nodes can provide the correct version, ensuring data safety and transparency. Before any transaction is added to the blockchain, nodes check if it follows the rules. For example, if someone tries to send more cryptocurrency than they own, nodes will reject the transaction. Nodes make the blockchain highly secure. To alter data, a hacker would need to attack most of the nodes simultaneously, which is nearly impossible. Unlike traditional systems where one central authority controls everything, blockchain distributes power among all nodes. This ensures fairness and reduces the risk of corruption or failure. Types of nodes: not all nodes are the same. There are different types, each with its unique role in the blockchain network. 1. Full nodes. 1. These nodes store the entire blockchain from the very first transaction to the most recent one. 2. They are responsible for verifying all transactions and blocks independently. 3. Example. Think of full nodes as people who have read every page of a book and can confidently explain its story to others. 2. Light nodes. 1. These nodes don't store the entire blockchain. 1. Instead, they keep a summary or smaller portion of the data. 2. They rely on full nodes for detailed information and transaction verification. 3. Example. Light nodes are like readers who skim through the last few chapters of a book and ask others about earlier parts. 3. Mining nodes. 1. Mining nodes solve complex puzzles to add new transactions to the blockchain. 1. This process is called mining, and miners are rewarded with cryptocurrency. 2. Example. Imagine a group of puzzle solvers competing to complete a challenging puzzle. 2. The first one to solve it gets a prize. 4. Master nodes. 1. These are special nodes with additional responsibilities, such as governing the network and enabling advanced features like instant transactions. 2. They require a significant investment to set up but offer rewards in return. 3. Example. Master nodes are like team leaders in a project who take on extra responsibilities to ensure smooth progress. Daily life example. Nodes as neighbors. Let's use a neighborhood analogy to explain how nodes work. 1. Full nodes are like neighbors who keep detailed records of everything happening in the community. 1. They know who moved in, who moved out, and all the important events. 2. Light nodes are like neighbors who only remember the most recent events and ask full node neighbors for older details. 3. Mining nodes are like neighbors who organize events such as a neighborhood party. 3. They put in extra effort to plan everything and are rewarded with appreciation or gifts. 4. Master nodes are like community leaders who oversee major decisions and handle responsibilities like budgeting or organizing large-scale projects. How nodes work together. Nodes communicate and collaborate to keep the blockchain network running efficiently. Here's a step-by-step breakdown. 1. Transaction initiation. Someone sends a transaction like transferring cryptocurrency to another person. 2. Broadcasting. The transaction is broadcast to all nodes in the network. 3. Validation. Nodes check the transaction to ensure it follows the rules. For example, the sender has enough funds. 4. Adding to the blockchain. Once verified, the transaction is grouped with others to form a block. Mining nodes compete to add the block to the blockchain. 5. Ledger. Update. After the block is added, all nodes update their copies of the blockchain to reflect the new transactions. Why are nodes important? Nodes are crucial for several reasons. 1. Decentralization. By distributing data across multiple nodes, blockchain avoids relying on a central authority, making it fair and resilient. 2. Security. With multiple nodes verifying transactions, it's nearly impossible for hackers to alter data. 3. Transparency. Everyone can verify the blockchain's data, promoting trust among participants. 4. Data integrity. Even if one node fails or is corrupted, other nodes can restore the correct data. Can anyone become a node? Yes, anyone with the right resources can become a node. Here's how. 1. Set up a device. Use a computer with sufficient storage and processing power. 2. Download blockchain software. Install the software for the blockchain you want to join, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. 3. Connect to the network. Once connected, your device starts participating as a node. Key takeaways. 1. Nodes are devices that connect to the blockchain network, storing, sharing, and validating data. 2. Different types of nodes, full, light, mining, and master nodes, have specific roles. 3. Nodes work together to ensure blockchain is secure, decentralized, and transparent. 4. Anyone can set up a node with the right tools and resources. Conclusion nodes are the silent heroes of blockchain, ensuring it runs smoothly and securely. They validate transactions, store data, and make blockchain what it is today. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore consensus mechanisms, the way nodes agree on which transactions get added to the blockchain. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly blockchain content.